Assalamu alaikum, namaste and vanakkam. Welcome back to my channel, Sameera Sharif. Hi guys, so this video is one of the most requested and most awaited video. Finally, we are revealing the giveaway winners. So actually, I've been waiting for my mother-in-law to get free, and she's been very busy with her shoots and all. She wasn't giving me the dates to announce the winners.
Annitki correct time raval gada.
Correct. The more she delayed, the more you guys had an opportunity to take part. Till the last moment, I was waiting for the maximum comments, and considering yesterday varaku unna comments anni I've been considering, and that's how we picked the final 15 winners for 15 giveaways, like the huge giveaways. What do you think about my giveaways?
I think it's the best opportunity for your fans to play a small game or be active in your channel. It's like keeping them live always, like it's part of a game, no? So I think they'll definitely enjoy. It's a nice thought actually, and the best thing what I know about Sameera is she picked up genuine ga wherever, like very genuine comments and genuine ga sincere ga participant chesina vallandaru pick up chesindi. So that is the best thing. Yeah.
Okay, so first video was about Nek Organica, the Nek Organica video that I posted, and the giveaways, other products that I showed in the video.
Okay.
And in that video, my question was your favorite video in Shanur Sana's YouTube channel. So tons of comments. There were tons of comments, and I'm so glad that you guys are following my mother-in-law's channel and giving so much love onto all her videos. Can you guess which video would have got most likes?
As far as I know, maybe Sonu Sood's channel video.
Okay, I give you 3 chances.
Oh, not that.
No. I'm giving you 3 chances.
Acha, okay. And the second one will be the shopping one.
Okay. Shopping, the designer shop.
The designer one. And the third one will be the cookery one from the beauty tip. Yeah, the beauty tip.
Yes, actually there were so many people commenting about the beauty tips.
Okay.
Even now, everybody keeps asking, how is she so beautiful? How is her skin glowing so much? So there were so many comments main about the beauty video, the home remedies video. And the winner is...
Luck has favored you. Who's that? Who's that? Shakti Lakshmi!
Congratulations, Shakti Lakshmi. You are the lucky winner of Nek Organica. And the next product that we have is the selfie stick cum tripod. So if you see my bag, I'm always carrying this selfie stick cum tripod because it is very handy, and I think it is a must-have in every girl's bag, bhai, because you keep taking so many pictures and you keep recording so many. Videos. Right now, it is real videos. Yeah. So yes, we do so many things. So that is why I consider to have that. And the question I had was, what is your favorite video in my YouTube channel?
Okay.
And the winner is...
Neha Agarwal!
Congratulations, Neha Agarwal. So if you guys have seen my haul video where we shopped in Bangalore, I picked Spiker jeans and I really loved the fit, and then I went on to Myntra, I went on to Ajio, I shopped a lot on those same fit jeans, and I really loved them. So I thought I should be giving away those amazing fit pants. So here we have a question for the Spiker jeans. And here I just asked a very casual question, why you think you should deserve this giveaway? And
the winner is... It is Nikita Bali.
Congratulations, Nikita Balki.
Okay.
The next giveaway was the salwar suit. So this salwar suit, I really loved it. So I thought I should be giving away this salwar suit to you guys. And I asked you a very simple question, that is, what do you like about Sameera Sharif? And again, I had so many messages It was so happy and overwhelming reading you guys talking so much positive about me. Thank you so much for that. And the winner is
Monica Madhavudi.
congratulations, Monica. And also thank you for sending in such a sweet message. Okay, so now you guys know I really love journaling, so that is why I thought I should have a planner in my giveaways. In fact, I keep telling everybody in the house, I keep telling Arbaz Aman to start journaling because that will make your days very productive. And I thought I'll include this giveaway, the weekly planner in my giveaway. And I just asked a very simple question. Why do you think you guys deserve this, and how you guys would make your days productive or weeks productive, and how do you manage to make most of your days? And again, for that I have so many messages. In fact, there are people messaging you also in person.
Yes.
No, please
I
ask.
was getting in my inbox in Insta was filled like, please Akka, tell Samira Akka. I texted her, asked her to read the comments. I was getting so many comments.
Mainly for this planner, there were so many people who were taking part, and I'm so glad. I would love to host more planner giveaways very soon. But for now, we have only one winner, which I'm very sad about, and the winner is
Archana Rajashekaran.
Congratulations, Archana, and thank you for such a sweet long message. She is
I can
studying.
see all big long messages.
She's studying in her 9th standard.
Oh.
And then I had very sweet message. It is what you like about Anvira. And again, there were so many people texting, commenting on that video, which I was feeling very happy to read. So many people loving Anvira so much. And the giveaway was a wireless speaker. So I'm not really fond of music or playing music and all, but my sister-in-law Tabassum is really fond of playing music, and that is how from there the addiction has come to me. And whenever I'm working in my room or I'm cleaning my room, that is the only time when I play songs and listen to songs. So I thought this is something that everybody should be having if they want to work out, or if they are doing some activities, they can play some music, and that is how it will be helpful, is what I thought. And again, thank you so much for so many sweet comments, you guys.
And the winner is Jannala Ratna.
Congratulations, Janala Ratna Garu. And the next thing that I have is the 7th giveaway is the Bata blemishes and the razors. So there are so many people who've been having this doubts. If we shave off our face, we might have thick hair. We might have stubborn hair that is growing. The only thing that you got to do is moisturize your face well. And talking about the thick and stubborn hair, you are growing, right? Each day you grow, so your hair also differs every day. And the growth of your hair would only depend on your hormones, but not on shaving, waxing, or letting it be, bleaching, nothing. It's only going to differ according to your hormones. So I would definitely recommend shaving, and that's how I thought I should include this in my giveaway. And again, the giveaway rules were very simple. Just follow my channel, follow Shanur Sana's YouTube channel, Instagram, and all of those, and why you should win this giveaway. And also on that, I received so many comments, and the winner
is Grishma.
Congratulations! Okay, so the next giveaway was the coffee mug. Firstly, you know how much I love coffee, right? And the specialty of this coffee mug was it had world map on it.
Oh.
So why do you think I chose that?
Because you love traveling and you want to travel all over the world.
Yes, so that is the only reason I chose the world map wala mug. And the question was very simple again. Why do you think you should win this coffee mug?
Okay.
And again, there were so many people who were showing so much love on the coffee mug. Though it is a normal coffee mug, but you guys understood the reason why I chose behind it and how much the world map would actually reflect on your personal life, and that's why I received so many comments even on that video. And
Sri Lekha, you are the winner.
Congratulations, Sri Lekha, and thank you so much for such beautiful comment. Okay, so this video was, this video I released on our anniversary.
Okay.
And I asked what do you guys like about Anwar Jan.
Okay.
So that was the question, and I was actually this was my anniversary vlog, I think, on which I asked what you guys like about Anwar Jan. And because it was a special video and a special question, I wanted to have a big gift
Okay.
for them.
Wow. Ciao.
So I chose to have the
So-
earphones.
For Anwar Jan, you have a big gift and special gift, and for other questions you have small gift. Not playing. Chief guest is upset.
No, for your question, I had Nek Organica.
So what? You know, specifically you said Anwar Jan because it is Anwar
Ha.
Jan, because it was on anniversary, because it's Anveera, big gift. Oh.
Exactly. Now you should
Okay.
understand, Anwar Jan's question was almost in the end, but Shanur Sana's question was the first giveaway. See, I keep you in the first position.
He's trying to pata me, okay.
So for Anwar Jan's question, I had the short grooves earphones. It's the noise, the short grooves earbuds wala. And again for that, there were so many people who commented on that. And I was so glad listening to so many comments. I mean, reading through so many comments. And trust me, guys, it was so difficult to shortlist those many comments. And that was really very sweet of you all.
And the winner is none other than Divyashri.
Congratulations, Divyashri, and thank you so much for such sweet comment. And then came my birthday. So on my birthday, I wanted to give a nice special gift again. So for this, it was not my birthday vlog, but the video was going live on my birthday. So I thought a lot what I should be giving, something which I love, something which I like doing. So then it struck my mind, it should be a smartwatch.
Yes. Good.
Because
Nice idea.
it will help you guys to have a track on how much you're performing, or how much you're working out, your calories, and you will have count of everything. So then I decided I'll come up with a smartwatch. And again, for the smartwatch, there were so many people who commented. The question was very simple. I just asked why you think you deserve to win this giveaway, and so many of you showed so much love on that video, and so many of you participated in that. And the winner is
Krutinga Devi. It is Kiruthigadevi. Congratulations.
Congratulations. So this girl, we usually, mom also and I also, when she's commenting on our live sessions, we just chat to her saying Devi, Devi, Devi. And recently she said, don't call me Devi, call me
Krutinga. Krutinga. Krutinga or Krutinga? Okay.
Kirutiga. Kirutiga.
ठीक है. Something.
Devi garu.
Devi.
Congratulations on winning the smartwatch. Your name is very difficult to pronounce. Okay. Then again, because you guys showed so much love on my weekly planner, I thought I should include another planner. So I added things to do, the to-do list planner. And again, so many of you all commented on that. And the question also was very simple. I asked them, what is your favorite travel vlog in my videos? And there were so many people who were commenting. There were so many people who showed so much love on the Paris video, and also our Visakhapatnam travel, the family travel vlogs and all. They showed so much love on the travel videos. And
Subhasini, congratulations!
Congratulations, Subhashini. And then I asked them if I was a cat person or a dog person, and the giveaway was a copper bottle. You know,
Okay.
Popper bottle is
Yeah,
very
yeah.
good and the benefits
health.
of
Yeah.
Popper bottle. So I thought I should include that in my giveaway. And again, there were so many people commenting on the same. And also people thought I'm a dog person because we have Roxy in the house. What do you think I am?
No, she is a cat person.
I love cats.
cats.
And also, there are so many people who actually noticed my expression the moment Tabassum gave me the cat's
Cat,
night dress.
yes.
Because this video went up
She started
after that.
crying.
Yeah. So they were like, no, the moment Tabassum gave you that gift, you were in tears. I'm sure you're a cat person. There were so many people also telling that. So they were confused because I cried for cat dress and I also have Roxy in the house. Anyway, the winner is
Mirza Yasmin.
Congratulations, Mirza Yasmin. And then on 18th November, this is the 13th giveaway that we have. And then I usually pack my stuff in the travel cubes, right? So in my travel, the packing video, there are so many people asking about the travel cubes. They also
asked me
message you.
They messaged me also, yeah.
Yes, and also they messaged you, they messaged Anwar Jan. Anwar Jan also was asking me, people are asking, send me the link and stuff. So I thought I should include that in the giveaway because that will be helpful. And again, for that video, so many people showed a lot of love. And the question was very simple. I just asked which place you would travel next and why do you think you deserve this. And again, so many people have traveling plans.
Yeah.
At the moment I saw the comments, I was like, wow, people are getting normal, people are getting back to normal, they are wanting to travel. When, how, nobody knows, but inshallah things will get normal very, very soon. And the winner is
Jyoti Reddy M. Congratulations.
Congratulations, Jyoti, and also thank you so much for such a sweet comment. So she is traveling to Russia, so she's a student,
Oh,
so she deserves to win
good luck.
this.
She deserves.
And then there was this video where our the recent travel vlog where I and Anwar Jan sat and spoke about our travel. On that video, I asked them what is the best thing that you liked in this particular video.
Okay.
And the giveaway was the lipstick that I'm wearing right now because this is one of my most favorite lipstick of late. That is Romcom by K Beauty. And so many of you all showed so much love on this lipstick. I didn't know that you guys like this lip shade so much. And everybody also appreciated the way Anwar Jan explained in that video about how to travel and the needs, the requirements that we need to arrange and stuff. So received a lot of comments on the same. And the winner for the Romcom lipstick is
Meghna Nagaraj.
Meghna Nagaraj.
Nagaraj. Meghna Nagaraj. Congratulations.
Congratulations, Meghna. And the last giveaway, which I hosted on 20th of November. So this is something very, very important for people who travel, is what Anwar Jan and I understood when we traveled to Serbia. Because earlier, how we girls travel, right? With big hard case suitcases, that is what we take. And after having a backpack, I understood life becomes so simple and easy to travel. Then I thought I should include a rucksack bag.
Oh.
So that's how, for my last giveaway, traveling those many days in Serbia, I decided I should include a rucksack bag because someone who's winning this, it will be easy for them to travel in future.
Yes.
So that's how I included a rucksack bag, not as big as the one that we have, but a 45 liters, which is very comfortable for a week travel. For 1 week, that should be more than enough. And the question was how much you guys would miss these giveaways, because there were so many people showing so much love in all the giveaways. And again, for this particular question, there were so many people commenting and telling and expressing how much they actually missed the giveaway.
And the winner is Nafisa Mohammed.
Congratulations, Nafisa Mohammed. At the end of the video, you will again see the names scrolling, all the giveaway winners scrolling. Thank you so much guys for participating in your giveaways and showing so much love onto all the videos that I posted in the month of November. And do you have something to say?
Yeah, I'm a chief guest today. So what is the gift I'm going to get?
I'll film a
You
video
called
for your
me,
channel.
You asked me to announce, I did it. So I need a gift.
I'll film a video for your channel.
You'll film a video for my channel.
Yeah.
What, like, you will come as a participant.
I'll help you
just, no, I have people to help me. I want a gift.
Shanur Sanaji, you win this iPad. By the way, this iPad is hers only, it is not mine.
Anyways, thank you so much. It's my iPad. She's giving me back. Congratulations, everybody. She has really worked very hard to, like, shoot a video, ask a question, select from so many comments. It's so difficult. We all know it's so difficult. You all, each and everyone is a winner, whoever have commented. But because giveaway is, you have to select just for one person, she selected and she gave 15 giveaways. This is not from any collab or anything. She has brought personally. She thought so much about each and everybody and very useful things. She picked up all those things only for you. Thanks for the encouragement, and you please keep blessing her always like that.
Yes, thank you so much. And yeah, as she said, I was very particular. In fact, not just me, but also Anvarjan. He was like, nothing you're giving as a sponsored in this video. Everything should be from your pocket, something that you like and you love. And that is what I also decided. No sponsored gift, no sponsored giveaway. Everything that I like or someone in the house likes and uses is what I wanted to give away. Alright guys, so we'll end this vlog right here. Thank you so much for showering so much love onto my channel and also onto Shanur Sana's YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to either my channel or her channel, go and subscribe right now. And stay tuned because there are giveaways coming up very, very soon on her channel also, which she's not aware of. So anyway, we'll see you guys soon in our next video. Until I'll see you next. Lots of love!